Hi everyone, it's Steve Johnson here, Chief Investment Officer at Forager Funds Management. Just a quick check-in around our quarterly reports. Unfortunately, you're going to have to watch this one from my home rather than in the office. Everyone's been working furiously away from their various houses, pulling together new ideas, running the portfolio, and putting together the quarterly report for this quarter as well. We've seen a pretty strong rebound in equity markets over the past couple of weeks. Gareth and I recorded a webinar 2 and a bit weeks ago, and it turned out that they were the lows for equity markets, at least the lows so far. We'll see what happens over the coming weeks as well. But markets have bounced back really quickly. Firstly, it was mostly those businesses not impacted dramatically by the economic environment or the coronavirus, but in recent days we've seen travel companies, retailers, businesses that are highly exposed catch up, as well as people have got more confident that this crisis is going to be over sometime in the not too distant future. Things are probably looking better in Australia on that front than they are elsewhere. The numbers are looking pretty good in terms of the number of infected people. It's yet to become clear how we're going to unwind the restrictions or what the impact on business of that is going to be, but investors have certainly reacted fairly early to what they think is going to be a better outlook on that front. We've been chipping away at new ideas and adding new things to both portfolios. You can read about a whole plethora of new things that we've added over the next few months in the coming quarterly report. In the Aussie front, particularly, we talk about why we've opened up the mandate to New Zealand, and one particularly exciting opportunity that's listed over there that we've added to the Australian fund. We also introduced a buyback, an on-market buyback a few weeks ago, which is able to be activated now. We had to wait 14 days for that. We'll explain why we're doing that and how we expect to do it in the quarterly report. In the international fund, we've probably added 4 or 5 new world-class businesses to that portfolio over the past 6 weeks at prices that we've been hanging out to see. So it's been a very active time. Thanks to the team for working very hard. I hope you all enjoy your Easter break, and by the time you're back on the job next week, we'll hopefully have the quarterly report in your inboxes.